Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sabrina's Charming Creations. I'm coming to you now from the Patapsco Market in Baltimore, Maryland. We're located at 1400 West Patapsco Avenue, and I'm doing today another unboxing. I did it again. I got a box, this time a 15-pound box, mystery box from Fabric Wholesale Direct. So we're going to unbox this together and we're going to see what's in here, okay? Let's see. Oh, and for all of those who've never seen me before, my name is Sabrina, and I am the owner and operator of Brina's Charming Creations, that I sell women's accessories. I sell handmade tote bags, quilted tote bags. I sell pouches, purses, jewelry, especially polymer clay jewelry, wristlets, badge reels, anything for women accessories. And I also, hold on, um, I make women's accessories, handmade purses, necklaces, bracelets, polymer clay jewelry, quilted tote bags, purses, and also for my nurses, because I'm a nurse also. I'm a registered nurse. For my job, I make satin lined bonnets, adjustable size, scrub caps, also lanyards, and tote bags, accessories for the nurses out there. So you need to come check out my stuff. I'm going to have the link down below this video so that you can check it out, okay? So stay with me. Please support me. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I run this small business and work and take care of my dad who's ill. If you want to get some inspiration, hopefully I can provide that as well. So stay with me and let's do this unboxing and see. I bought a 15-pound box from Fabric Wholesale Direct. I don't know what's in it. I think I spent 60 bucks for 15 pounds. They come in different sizes, 10, 15, and 20. I bought the 15-pound box. So let's see what's on the inside of this box. Gotta be careful with these scissors because I don't know. Don't want to cut the fabric. Let's hope it's something good. I bought one from Move Fabrics. If you haven't seen that video, you can check that one out too. And it was pretty good. So I decided to try it again with a different company and let's see how their box is. Oh, okay. I see sequins already. What is this? I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's alrighty. This is what they gave me. Wow. Sequins, guys. What am I going to do with this? Sequins. It's silver and gold sequins. Wow. And it's about, let's see, 2 yards, I would say. It's about 50 inches wide. So if y'all have any ideas what I can do with this, please comment and let me know, because I sure don't. Wow. All right, let's see what's next. I don't know what this is. It's very sheer. I guess I could use it for a lining of the inside of a bag. This is what it's very thin. You can see right through it. Look at that. I don't know. They gave me a bunch of shiny stuff. I mean, I like rhinestones, but don't know. Okay, here we go. Another shiny thing. I got the shiny bag. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Do I see satin? Okay, 2 pieces of this. It's very thin. I don't know. Some type of metallic. And it's about 2 yards, I would say. 2.5 yards, 3 yards. It's purple and gold. Shiny. But it's very thin. Okay. They gave me 2 pieces of this. Here's another piece they gave me. Alrighty. Now we come into some good stuff here. Yeah. Alrighty. Satin. And I use a lot of this for my scrunchies. So this is great. Purple. Purple satin. I don't know how big that is. That's a nice size. Okay. Okay, and then we got some more satin. Yay! A big piece. Red. Nice. Look at that. Big red piece of satin. I like it. All right. Okay. Now, what is this? Oh man, this is a big old piece of velvet. Red velvet. Look at that. Nice. Red velvet. Let's see. Okay. This is a nice piece of red velvet. Ah, we still going. We got some more. What is this? More shiny stuff. Wow. They gave me a lot of sequins in this box. White, sequin, I don't know. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, I need some help. What can I do with this? Interesting. And it has a scalloped edge. See that? Gives you a close look. Wow. Alrighty. Now we come into some, looks like white linen. Look at that. Look at that. It's not bad. You can make some nice pants and uh, a skirt or something, or a nice summer jacket. I don't know. Okay, still got more. Oh, this is look at that. Looks sort of like organza. It's white and it's a big old piece. Look at that. This is some nice, this will make a nice blouse. Wow. This is some good stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Big old thick piece. Okay, one more piece left. And this is canvas duck fabric. I can make a purse out of this or a tote bag. This is very thick and heavy. Wow. It's waterproof. Look at that. It's got a rubber backing on it. Okay. It's not bad. I can make a nice waterproof tote out of this. And it's big enough that I can, yeah, look at that. Wow. So this was a 15-pound box from Fabric Wholesale Direct. Let me show you the box. Fabric Wholesale Direct. That was not bad. This is the second time I've done this and I've gotten some good stuff. So yeah, would I suggest that you try it? Yes, I would. Try it. If you out there wanna these mystery boxes, they're pretty good. This is the second one. I've gotten some good stuff out of them. I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, share. Thank you for joining me.